Oh man, get ready to cozy up with a spice of heaven, man. Introducing my seasonal quick bread, winter apple. This delightful treat is bursting with warmth of freshly baked apples and sweetness of winter spices, man. And the comforts of homemade loaf. This is perfect for those chilly winter days like here in New York City. Quick bread is not only quick to make, but it's an instant favorite in the home. My kids love it, grandkids love it. So let's get into these apples. There's so many apples you can use. Pink Lady, Red Delicious, Macintosh, Gala. I'm going with the Honey Crisp, so I like it. It stays crisp when you bake it, and it's nice and juicy. So we're gonna chop some apples up. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Movie magic, baby. We're gonna toss this in the bowl. Here, we're gonna place it on the side. Now we're gonna get our wet ingredients and dry ingredients together. Wet ingredients, we're gonna get our milk, vanilla extract, our melted butter, and our eggs in one bowl. And we're gonna mix those together. Now in another bowl, we're gonna shift our dry ingredients together. Our flour, our sugar, baking powder, and our salt. Remember, if you don't have pastry flour, you can always use AP flour, all-purpose flour. It works just as well. Get any lumps in there from the flour or the sugar. So we're going to add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients. And we're going to mix to combine. Don't overmix. Just mix to combine. Now we're going to add our apples. Remember, you can use any fruit you want with this. And we're going to gently fold the seasoned fruit into the batter. Yeah, that's what it should look like. Let's get a pan, a loaf pan. This is 9x5 loaf pan, it's greased. We're gonna pour in the batter. Remember, your oven should be at 400 degrees by now. We're gonna place this in the oven for 45 minutes to an hour or until a toothpick comes out nice and clean and it looks like this. Done. We're gonna remove it from the loaf pan and allow it to fully cool on this rack. Nice. See how golden brown is on the top. Nice and crispy on the top. And when we cut it, look at that. And nice and moist in the inside. You can see those apples in there. Saying hello. Once again, it's easy to make, it takes no time, and it's delicious, delicious.